Hey there, if you've noticed that your LG Smart TV changes the volume by itself, here's how to fix it. What we'll do is press and hold the settings button on the remote control to bring up the main menu. Next, use the directional pad and go to sound. Once here, we go across and we go down to advanced settings. We move across once more and work our way down this list to automatic volume adjustment. As it says here, adjust sound for each program automatically when switching content so that the volume is constant. Let's turn this off. This will solve that problem. And while we are in this menu, let's just check out the sound installation type. If you go up one in this menu, we have installation type, go across, and we can make sure that the sound is adjusted for whether your TV is on a stand or whether it's wall mounted. So select which one suits. So I hope those tips have helped. Let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and I wish you a great day ahead.